something nice about traditional music. It's very homely. You know, one of the songs I'm singing tonight is called The Fawn Side, and it's a good Derry song. There's something about these kind of local songs that always stay close to my heart.
A stream like a crystal, it runs down, it's plainly to be seen. And it's there you'll find the Irish oak, trimmed with the ivy green. Where the shamrock rose, the thistle grow, the lily to beside. There flourish all together, boys, along the Fawn side. It's just 3 miles from Derry, it's the bridge up from my home. And it's there I spent some happy days in the days of long ago. Where the lads do sport, the fair maids a court, and the small fish gently glide. In the blooming spring, the small birds sing along the Fawn side.
All the songs that I'm singing are traditional, but we've made new arrangements of them. But all the tunes are actually compositions of my own. So it's been nice getting together with the lads and putting all the tunes together, seeing how they fit, and sometimes making them fit. And you'll find most traditional singers will sing songs from their own area, and even when you branch out into singer-songwriters and other people, they'll end up writing a lot of music about their home. It's it's a way, because obviously as musicians we can travel the world and get to see lots of places, but it's nice to be able to share a bit of home with an audience abroad. Out of everything I do, I really do love playing music and playing in front of a crowd. I think most musicians will tell you the same thing. I work in a lot of different fields. I work in audio post-production and recording and mixing and different things like that. But there's a certain buzz that you get when you stand in front of a crowd and you share a song or a tune or a part of yourself with them, and it connects with them and it resonates with them. It varies from tune to tune how I compose them. Sometimes I sit down and they just come out of the fingers or out of the keys or the strings or whatever. Other times you do go in with a mindset. For example, a few years ago at the festival, I had a commission, so we're playing a few of those tunes tonight, which were based around themes of the famine and different things. So they definitely had a story in mind, as opposed to just being a string of notes that sounded nice together.
Thank you, everybody.